side some. Yeah. My wife is all beside herself. I haven't seen her for 2 days. She's been working. When she came home last night, I was in bed already. And then the other night, by the time she came home, I was in bed already. So she gets all freaked out. So I'm talking my fucking ear off tonight. I'll be like, honey, I want to go to bed. I gotta get up early tomorrow. And of course, that dark shit bust my claws, but I'm not coming out until 2 o'clock. First fucking call, you can't make it, you busted my stomach.
Yeah, and then he busted on me. He goes, even Kenny G made the call. And I knew he was talking about that 2 o'clock, and I was going to say, no, I didn't. But I thought, if he wants to think I made it, let him think I made it. I didn't go to bed till 12:30, and I wasn't getting out of bed at 2 in the morning knowing I had to get up at 6.
Last week one day, we had a call, something like 4:30 in the morning or something, 5 o'clock in the morning. I was fucking at work already. I started at 4. The only reason I did is because I got up at 3 o'clock and couldn't fall back to sleep. So I'm like, if I'm going to lay here and toss and turn, I might as well go into work. I had all my work done at work before breakfast, which was awesome.
I mean, there's 2 schools of thought. Number one is it's too hard to get out of bed for a bullshit call. Then the other school of thought is, well, if you're going to get out of bed, you know it's going to be a quick go to the station, come home, but I don't need to waste my time.
Well, why do you think I don't talk to people when I go to the station? Because I'm trying to stay in the sleep mode so I can go right back to bed.
That works for you, but I'm telling you, it doesn't work as easy for me yet. My body just doesn't want to fall back. It takes me...
No, me too. Me too. It doesn't work all the time. The other thing, too, I got to watch is... If I come to the station and go back home, okay, I'm up, I'm done, it's over. You know, there's no going back to sleep. Same thing like if I lay down at 8 o'clock and the wife gets home at 9, if I talk to her, it's over. She'll keep going and won't fucking stop. So what I do is I ignore her and pretend I'm sleeping. That way she won't bother me. She'll turn the lights out, she'll go back out into the kitchen, and she'll come back about an hour later and I'm usually out. And I tell her, I'll tell her in the morning, I was awake when you got home last night, but I didn't want to talk to you because I wouldn't have fell back to sleep then. You know, I was almost at that sleep point by the time she gets home. And she's one of those that can come to work and has to tell you about her day. Are you ready? I'll give you mileage.
You got it? Hold on.
22,422.
22,422?
Yes, sir. Mileage.
Do you want me to hop out or help back you up when you get there?
Right where you're at.
Alright.
Signed and submitted.
Thank you, sir. So each truck does their own sheet for tonight then?
They do their own mileage log, but Matt claims that he gets eyeballs on everyone.
Oh, another
for
Cage.
training.
Another fucking John Cage. Cage used to say that too, but he used to miss us all.
You know what? He's pretty mad. I've watched him do it though.
Really?
And he's pretty good.
Okay.
He fills it out right away, and sometimes you can even watch him fill it out. And if he doesn't know who somebody is, he asks.
I would still fill it out, although on those training nights, I'm on the truck, so we're gonna fill a sheet out for the truck anyway.
What is that beeping noise?
Excellent.
Yeah, I appreciate you offering up your chainsaw and log splitter. That's going to be really handy for
No
me.
big deal, dude. No big deal. You know? It's no big deal.
What is that beeping noise?
Back more.
No, it isn't. I think I hear like a radio back here. I think I might have bumped the radio.
So we don't fill out driver's log, or do I still do a driver's log?
Well, this is the mileage log. Oh, if you have a driver's log,
the driver's log hasn't been filled out since January 28th.
Yeah, this takes the place of that.
Okay, so this isn't no more than, okay.